Hello, thank you for visiting my Patreon page. I just wanted to show you really quickly a little demo about my maps. So I already put together this little map right here, but I wanted to show you exactly how it can work. So this is my new map that just came out. It is a cemetery with three different layers on it. So the way I built, the way I designed these maps is that you can basically use them without having to switch from map to map in Roll20 or whatever virtual desktop you're using. So I will show you. I stacked these one above the other. So as your players go through your maps, you can just delete them without having to skip from map to map to map on Roll20. And this is, I'm using Roll20 by the way. So let's say your player wants to go into this script right here. You just select that map, delete it on the map player, and your player can now enter the script and look around, whatever they want to see. And then if they want to go down even further, you can again delete this map, and now they're on the right layer. Now they can walk around here, and they see there's something weird going on. They get in here, they found a dug up tunnel, and they find another thing. So now we would have to go back to the ground level where you can actually see inside of the buildings. So I already downloaded all of the tiles that I have available on Roll20, which you can do as well. And I will just drag this back here, make sure it is on the map layer, and now they're in back on the right layer where they can see the little hole that they just crawled out of. Another cool thing about this is all of the surroundings can be built as well. So you see how many buildings there are. Well, for example, this building is a tavern. This one right here. So if you wanted to have your players go to the tavern, or if they decided that they want to, get a drink, I don't know, something, you could just be, oh, I have the tavern right here. And so you open it, and there's the tavern, and they can walk in, go get a drink, and then maybe they decided to stay there. So they go upstairs, they get a room, and there are the rooms. And there you go. So there are a few different tiles that I have available right now. I think that most of them are shown here. There's the potion store. You can see right there it has 2 floors. There is this house. It's a residential, just a small residential house. There's another residential house there. And the ones that I don't have actual buildings for, I just basically put roofs there to take up the space. This fountain can really be scaled to really anything. So every single thing that you see here is a tile. The one trick with the road tiles is that there is a right and a wrong way to put them together. All of the corners, the T-intersections, and intersections, crossroads, I guess, are I made them in the right direction just for convenience sake for you. So, if you need a T intersection that connects the bottom and left and right, then you would select this one just to make sure that the tiles are coming together correctly. But with the straight road, I only included this one tile, and I figured might just be easier than having too many tiles. So I will show you if you connect it this way. It doesn't really like I think it still looks okay, but it's not a seamless connection. However, if you do it this way, it connects seamlessly. So everything you see here is is a tile, including this little guy that just came out. I hope you enjoy my maps. Please do let me know your feedback. I am very much open and willing to listen. And thank you again for visiting my page.